Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, I have now just been trading binary option live once again. And if you lost this session, not to worry, I'm live every Monday to Friday. But for that, make sure you subscribe my channel, turn the bell notification on, and of course, join the broker. You find the link below the video, and there you also find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Also now you can do deposit using a Visa card all over the world, so that makes it more easy for you to deposit to this broker now, so make sure you take advantage. Okay, so as you can see, we have taken a few trades. This is the second recap video I make, because the first I made today, there were some bad sound, robot sound when I was talking, so I'm I'm making one more. So basically, as you can see, I've already taken the $44 that I had in cashback in the green area you see up there. So that also will now be added into the profit that I had taken. So the profit I made in this live session was $170, and that is good in my book. $170 is not a bad salary for 1 hour work. And basically, you can see I have been trading lines like this one. I will zoom out a little more so you can take a look at the trades I did today. Let's remove this. Let's zoom out, and you can see we are trading the area you see up here. We are selling and we are buying here. Just right now he broke this support he had done here, but we were all the time when we were trading, basically we were enjoying these areas. Yes, you can see that I lost some trades. That is because of bad entry, because when he come close to this area he can move quite fast, and when we push up, sometimes you can get a bad entry. I am not sad when I lose of bad entry. I am sad when I lose when a line is broken. So today was a beautiful time to trade, and I did actually like it. I enjoy it, to be quite frankly. So I really hope I see you tomorrow. Make sure you sign up with the broker, make a small deposit, or just join me with a demo account. That is completely up to you, of course. But like I said, you can now also top deposit using a Visa card or MasterCard, and that makes it much more easy for you to get started. Okay, so make sure you take advantage of that. And if you do, make sure you use the Alpha 1 promo code that you find below, so you get 200% on your first deposit. Okay, so that, I hope I see you tomorrow, and let's make some money together.